Alright guys, so it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel. It's a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can master advanced power clip in corelDRAW. So let's begin. First thing first, you have to open up your Corel workspace. Then you have to go to your toolbar right here and make sure you select your circle. So when you select your circle, you have to press down Control key before you can draw a perfect circle just like this, and press P to centralize. So having drawn a perfect circle, the next thing you have to do is to come to the home tab right here and make sure you go for import icon, or you press Ctrl I on your keyboard to bring up your import icon. Then it takes you right here. So when you get to this place, this is where you now import the particular picture you would like to use for the power clip. So I'm going to use this picture right here. So having selected the picture, you have to click on the import icon, and you take the picture into Corel workspace. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to rotate this image to mirror vertical and mirror horizontal, mirror vertical. So just to make the picture to face the other side. So next thing you have to do is to power clip this picture into this particular shape right here. So for you to do that, you have to come to the home tab right here and make sure you go to object. From object, you look for power clip, then place inside frame. So after click on place inside frame, then you get to see that your mouse is going to turn to something like this. Then you just have to click on the circle, and it's going to power clip on the circle. Next thing you have to do is to come to the edit from the tab here. Click on edit. This allows you to edit your object in the circle. So you have to position the picture the way and manner you want it to be. Shift key, and you can adjust the picture. Everything depends on how you want the picture to look like inside your circle. Okay, so I think I'm satisfied with this. So once you are able to satisfy to the right position of the image, come to the home tab right here and make sure you click on finished edit this level. Now from the very point here, we are going to apply some effect to this edge of this power clip. Okay, so for you to do that, you just have to select the picture. So when you select the picture, you have to go to bitmap and make sure you convert to bitmap. So this window is going to pop up right here. So make sure everything is still in 300 pixels, and then make sure you click on OK. Now you have successfully converted into bitmap. So the next thing to do is to add effect that will make this particular image have a faded at the edge of the circle. So for you to do that, you have to go to the home tab here and click on effect, and then you have to go to creative. From creative, you have to look for Ignite. So it's secure right here, and then this is where you will need to correct the offset, and here you correct the offset and you correct the fadedness. So you can drag and increase the fadedness, or you can make use of this point here to decrease the fadedness. Everything depends on how you want your power clip edge to look like. So if you're satisfied with something like this, then all you have to do is to make sure you just click on OK. So you just have to click on OK. So we click on OK, and one good thing about this is that if you, by the time you let me make a page border, so double click, by the time you fill this with color, is going to be embedded with the background color, so you can see it right here. One more good thing here is that if I bring in another image into this particular workspace, so let me go to image, and I'm trying to bring in this image right here, import. So if I'm trying to place this power clip here on this image here, is going to so control right click, and I'll look for other front page. So you can see that this one right here, it actually blend with this particular image here. It does not show as if we try to do something right here. So these are the power of advanced power clip, and these are the stuff you can use it to achieve in corelDRAW. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe for more tutorial like this in corelDRAW. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.